Message failed to send iPhone. If you're getting the message failed to send or message not delivered error on your iPhone, don't worry. This issue can be fixed easily. In today's video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes to solve this problem on iOS 16. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, check the data. Check that you're connected to a reliable network. If you're on mobile data, make sure you have a good reception. A weak or slow connection can cause messages to fail to send. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. Next, let's check if there's an issue with iMessage. Simply open your settings app and then go to Messages. Now make sure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, simply try toggling it off, waiting a few seconds and then turning it back on. Now sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches. Press and hold the power button along with the volume up or down button and slide to power off. Once your phone is off, turn it back on and try sending the message again. Next, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings and simply tap on General and go to Software Update. If there's an update available, simply update it. Software updates often include bug fixes that could resolve message delivery issues. Now, if you're trying to send a message to a contact, make sure their phone number or Apple ID is correct. Sometimes messages can fail if the recipient's contact information has changed or if their message settings are misconfigured. Now, lastly, if none of the previous steps work, you can try resetting your network settings. This will delete your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords and network configurations. To do this, go back to Settings and on General, simply scroll down until you find an option that says Transfer or Reset iPhone. Simply click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart and you can reconnect to Wi-Fi. And that's it. Hopefully one of the steps help you resolve the message failed to send or message not delivered issue on your iPhone.